Hi, welcome to Light Life. Ito na ang newly open na pinakamalaking indoor playground sa Cavite. Featuring 2,500 square meter play area na may giant slides, obstacle courses, may high altitude adventures, bump cars at arcade. Open sa lahat, matanda, bata, may ipinawala, single man or walang jowa. Ay welcome dito. Mag-enjoy ng buong araw sa kanilang unlimited play pass. Makaka-avail ka ng unlimited playtime, 15 plus play zone, free wifi, fully air-conditioned, comfortable kang maglalaro ng mga activities. Re-entry is allowed for the whole day. Location nga pala nito ay nasa West Shopping Center, Rosario, Cavite. Ang standard rates nila is 999 pesos. If member, 799 pesos. During weekdays from Monday to Friday, during weekends and holidays, 1,199 pesos, 959 pesos naman sa member. Ma-avail mo rin ang free play pass sa kanilang shopping promos sa West Shopping Center. Earn free play passes by shopping. 2,000 spend in single receipt, free for weekdays. 3,500 spend naman for weekend free play pass. Before mag-entry, fill out ng form for waiver. Then, bigyan kanila ng wristband for gate pass entry. Need din ang anti-slip socks na mabibili din sa kanila. 40 pesos. Ingat din po tayo kasi di nila sagutin kung na-injured tayo sa loob. Except if sa kanila nagka-problema. Enjoy the fun with your family and friends. If ever magutom mga junakis nyo during playtime, may food court sa ground floor. Kaya maraming choices ng food, no need ng lumabas pa. Here are some videos I will share with you with my junakis and nephew in the Infiniplay area. How did they enjoy it? They had so much fun. From afternoon to closing na kami nakauwi. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it all. Don't forget to subscribe here in Light Life. See you again.
I'm scared, bro. So you go first.